Yes, sir. Lima Charlie. Loud and clear.
Your head's up there now.
Very good. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. We've got 30 knots of wind. The wind's blowing this way. The tide's going this way. This barge over here on the port side here has the mooring ball, and we need to switch it over to here. And we're all by ourselves, and the wind is blowing pretty hard and going against the tide. So this could be fun. So we'll see how it goes. Talked to the tankerman and talked to the deckhands. So we kind of have a plan in place, but we'll see what's going to happen. All right, so I can't see the ball. Just let me know when you get up there where the ball is so I can kind of figure out how she's laying.
Roger that. All right, Tim, this ball is at 1 o'clock of this Richardson Sea.
Okay, beautiful. All right, once you get that pennant all lined up and the tankermen are ready to go and all that sort of stuff, you let me know and I'll start coming ahead and doing all that sort of stuff.
They already got everything all swapped over. All you have to do is just start coming ahead. Well, about 11 o'clock of this Richardson Sea.
Okay, I'm going to be going hard left, but I don't think a lot of it's going to happen. So let's just keep telling me what you want. Okay, so here we go. I guess they're all set up. These guys are efficient. It's kind of neat. I had the two tankermen on this with us and the other tankerman from the other barge, and it's kind of neat. They're all working together, so I kind of like that.
This ball is 10 o'clock on this Richardson Sea.
Okay, are we moving ahead?
Very, very slow.
Good. That's what they said. That's what they called me in high school. Okay, 10 o'clock. So I'm hard over. Got the wheel hard over to port.
You're about 15 wide off this ball on this Richardson Sea.
All right. You want me to keep coming ahead, right?
Yeah, keep on coming ahead slowly and try to go to the port.
Yeah, I'm trying everything I can to get to port.
You're about 8 wide off this ball.
All right, you want me to go all stop yet or not yet?
Go all stop till you're about 3 feet.
I'm all stop. Okay, you can see the tankerman is trying to let the line go. And what they have is they have a pennant.
Your port bow is about 2 wide off this Richardson Sea.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so the tankerman is... I don't know what he's doing.
This ball is on the port side of this Richardson Sea.
All right, I'm going to try to twist to try to hold you up that way.
Roger that. You get right touch up on this Richardson Sea now.
All right. So I'm doing a left twist.
Just slowly twist it to your port.
All right, and how are we doing on that ball?
It's still on that port side on one side on it.
Does that mean I got to back up?
Yes, you will have to end up backing up.
Okay. That would have been nice to know. Now, I didn't check in with traffic because I didn't think that we were going to get in the scheme, but maybe I should let them know what's going on. Traffic from the Elk River? Hey, do I need to back up anymore?
Yes, you do. I still don't see the ball.
Good afternoon.
It's the ball now. It's
the
about 10 ahead on this port side on the river.
It's the Tug Elk River. I just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm doing an operation over at the Gately Mooring, but you shouldn't have to check me in or out. We're just moving a line. Just want to let you know what I'm doing over here.
So 11 o'clock on this Richardson see your line things tight.
Okay, I was talking to traffic. Do you want me to come ahead?
Come to the port and then come ahead.
Okay, come into port.
Ball is 11 o'clock on this Richardson Sea.
Roger, that's fine.
Very good, thank you. All right, traffic knows what we're doing. Got everything spinning. All right, that should be working out better now, right?
Yeah, you're slowly coming to the port.
And the mooring is still on the Richardson Sea, right?
Yes, that is correct. Your ball is at 12 o'clock on this Richardson Sea.
Okay, good deal.
Line still nice and tight. It's starting to come to 9 o'clock on our boats.
Okay, I'm going to start coming ahead then to take some pressure off the line, all right?
Yeah, you can start coming ahead.
All right, here we go. Okay. Okay, it looks like they let the line go.
The ball is at 12 o'clock on our boats.
All right, and you let me know if I got to come ahead or go back or whatever to try to minimize the... I mean, I want to get as close to the buoy as I can to minimize the poor guys having to heave that thing up.
Yeah, keep on coming ahead on it. 15 wide on it.
All right, good deal. Straight ahead, right?
That is correct. It's starting to come at 1 o'clock on our boats.
Okay. I thought he let the line go. I thought he let the line go, but I think it's still there. Oh, no, it's still there.
You got to start spinning to the starboard. Yep, you're right, 3 wide, 3 up, 3 off, moving down the whole stop.
Okay, good deal. I'm spinning to the starboard.
Go off stop.
You can see the buoy there on the starboard side. It's tough with the wind going one way.
The ball is at 3 o'clock on our starboard side.
Yeah, I'm trying to get over that way.
Right.
So this would be ideal as soon as we got a little bit of slack. You know, as soon as the tension came off that mooring ball, that they dropped the line in the water and hauled it up real quick on the other one. But that doesn't always happen.
This ball is still at 3 o'clock.
Very good. I think she's coming around now.
Yeah, it's coming around very, very quick. Line's still too tight for it to get off, though.
Yeah, roger that. Yeah, as soon as he gets the opportunity to drop that off, maybe you pop that off and you haul her up real quick. Well, and I'll try to hold it here, but like I say, we're going all over the place with this wind and tide. Okay, you want me to go all stop right now?
No, keep on doing what you're doing. You're falling off this buoy now. You're like 20 wide on it.
All right, so I'll drive ahead and come right?
That is correct.
Okay. Now the problem is it's swinging, and it's going to go real quick. So I need to center my rudder because it's going to
Go
fall.
hard ahead, that they say.
Hard ahead.
I'm starting to get slack now. 25 wide on it.
All right, and it's pretty much straight ahead?
Yes, it's dead ahead of our box right now. Dead ahead of this sledge. You're about 10 wide and close.
All right, very good. Okay, you can see the
Go
guy.
all stop. Go all stop.
I'm all stopped. You can see those guys trying to heave up some slack to get it off the bit.
They got the line in the water. They're pulling up on the capstan now.
Okay, very good. Do I need to come left?
Yeah, go forward. You're going to have to back up.
Okay, backing up.
The arms on the deck now. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. Hold what you got.
All stop. Oh, those guys are good. Look at them go. Look at that. Teamwork. Love it. Get that thing on. Oh, nice. They said it couldn't be done with just us alone.
Lines
Freaking guys. Good work all the way around. Thank you so much.
You got to back up so the ball could come from underneath the bulges.
No problem. I'm backing up. All right. As soon as we get that real pennant, not the pickup line, but the actual pennant of the mooring. As soon as we get that on the cleat, we can reduce our heart rate and blood pressure. Everything's going to be fine.
Directly in the middle of the Richardson Sea, no boats.
Perfect.
Keep on coming like you are. It should tighten itself in.
All right. Good job out there. Once again, an ugly job. Nothing. I mean, I'm proud of the fact that we got it done. We got it done alone. Nobody got hurt, and no damage was done. But it certainly wasn't a pretty job by any means. Traffic from the Elk River.
Elk River, stand by.
All right, you want me to go all stop?
Yeah, go all stop. The ball just went underwater.
Yeah, all right. Good deal.
Nice and tight.
All right, good job, guys. You can see, I guess, maybe he was saying to stop while I was talking to them. I'm not sure. Tankerman said what?
He said we're all good.
All right, good job. Thank you so much. All right. Well, that was a little hairy. You could see how I was backing up, and I can't see the buoy, but you could tell when the bow started going that way that it came tight. So we got it done, and everybody's happy and safe. Now we're going to give the barge some water. We couldn't give them water the other day because it was like 15 degrees out. Right now it's right about 31 degrees. You can see that blue hose down there, and then it goes into a thing that has it's got insulation all around it. We got to give the barge water. The more water they get, the less likely it is that they'll freeze up too because of the thermal energy in the water.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, just tell traffic.
Elk River traffic.
Yeah, just want to let you know we're all done. Everything's cool over here at the Galately Mooring, so thank you so much. All right, good deal. So that's it. Woohoo! That'll get your blood pressure going. It's kind of funny. I don't know how it looks on camera, and I don't know how it is for you guys, but I can tell you that those of us in the wheelhouse often talk about perspective, that when we were on deck...
I'm back on board, too.
Very good. When we were on deck, we had a completely different perspective of when we do when we're in the wheelhouse. And it's very common that I'll tell a new guy that's breaking in the wheelhouse to say, you know something? It will be very common for a deckhand or a tankerman to say, ooh, that was a tough job. I was scared on that one. And you're like, what are you talking about? It was easy. I had it done. Then there are other ones, they said, oh yeah, I don't know what you were worried about. That was easy. And we're up here terrified, So it always seems to be different. Like I say, I don't know if this one was that, if you guys realized how I'm trying to move. No, shut them down. So, I don't know if you guys realized, but with 30 knots of wind on two light barges together and the tide going against going one way and, at 90 degrees to the wind, it made for an interesting thing, especially because you can't see it. And but we got it done, so that's good. Hope that doesn't sound too self-promoting. Got lucky on this one, I should say. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, take a moment. Hit like, hit subscribe, make a comment. And if you want to be a dude, come on over to the Patreon. I'll put a link on the description. And become a member of the Patreon crew for just a couple bucks a month. We'd love to have you over there. We got all kinds of cool Patreon things that we do just for patrons. So maybe that's something that you want to do. You guys take care, be safe, and I'll see you on the